What's up? It's me, Finance After 40. Let's go over ARK Invest, ticker symbol ARKK, unusual option activity for April. We got this bet. I'm gonna show you April 16, 180 calls. Okay, the price right now is 137, down 1% to close the day. This is the amount. Let me do the calculation right here. Someone is betting 2686 times 120, $322,000 that ARK Invest will probably be above $180, which is insane, by the end of April expiration, which is 2 months from now. I'm going to show you the graph in a second. And if we are here at 138 right here, so the next trade is 140 for about $1,000. Look how far it is. You have to scroll all the way down. That's insane. To the 180 level, which is right here. It cost about $1.10 now. Look at this, almost 5,000 volume for option, open interest about 600. You know, it's far away, but it couldn't hurt to do maybe a debit spread. I don't know, 160, 180 will cost you about $250 to make 2,000. Just a gamble, not a financial advice. Let me show you the 1 minute chart and exactly why I think this is a bullish trade and not a bearish trade, because sometimes hedge funds and people that are doing tons and tons of options, they like to buy calls, but eventually they actually selling the stocks and they making all the retail traders lose money. But if you look at the 1 minute chart, you can see exactly what happened and maybe take good guess if it's going up or down. So this is the 1 minute chart or circle right here at 11:08, exactly where it happened. Price was around 137.41. Not a lot of movement, but once it did happen, once someone made a $300,000 bet, we went up. We shot straight up. How much was that? Between -4% to -2.3. So we did 1.7% correction in the couple of minutes after that, and then it traded sideways and a little down towards the end of the day. But that 1.7% gain in the next couple of minutes after $300 bet basically tells me what happened. That person, hedge fund company, this is exactly what happened in my opinion, of course. They bet $300,000, calls 180, and the market makers, Melvin Capital, whoever is doing this trade, they had to hedge themselves, so they had to buy about 300,000 worth of shares of ARKK ETF, ARK Invest. So when they bought shares, and it doesn't matter, they buy market, they don't just limit, let's buy at 130, 135. It doesn't work like that. If an order comes to the market maker $300,000, the market makers have to secure themselves and hedge their position in order to execute that trade, and they bought $330,000 worth of shares of ARKK, and thus we went up about 1.7% in the couple of minutes after this trade. That's my conclusion. Hope you gained some more insight, guys. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.